Yeah, singer Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Singer Johnny Drill. You see, it is not allowed. You cannot just be coming on here and be blowing your useless grammar, which is unclear. The kind of grammar that you yourself you don't understand. By the way, what is misfortune? When we say misfortune, what does it mean? I don't need to search my dictionary before I explain to I put you through something. What does it mean when we say misfortune? Is a situation by which is a situation of a disastrous situation which is out of control by you, and yet it's not your fault. Do you understand? That is what it's meant by misfortune before you can say somebody's misfortune. So is this also a misfortune? A grown-up adult celebrity, a grown-up adult celebrity, a divorcee, and have a younger son, younger child. Due to the situation in this era, that relationship, to be candid, we have to all be honest, in this era that we are, relationship is not working. Most ladies, especially not men, have tried every possible things they could to make their relationship work, to make their, do you understand? It's not really working. Very few are lucky, and due to that process, as an adult, what are you supposed to do? Are you supposed to employ sex workers, not sex worker, plural, sex workers, different sex workers, to be giving it to you? You that you are a symbol, you that you are other people's icon. Do you understand? And this thing now backfire. Even most cases we have seen husband recording the wife's sex tape. He's the one fucking the wife, but he did not reveal his own face. For future purposes, in case if the marriage should have problem, he will not start threatening the spouse. Not to talk of a lady who is single. Not that you have a boyfriend, but you were utilizing other youth. Then the youth might be 38, it might even be your age. You were utilizing them just because they don't have any means to support themselves. Do you understand? This thing now backfire. Do you understand? We don't know how to manage this. They were the one that set her up. The sex tape leaks out, and you came out that people have a problem if they are feeling better off. So in that such situation, I'm also a divorcee. This artist, Naija artist, the woman in question, she's also a divorcee. She has a male child, I have a female child. My child is 14 years old. Do you understand? So I should not feel better of myself. Is that what you are saying? You said that kind of person have a problem if you are feeling better of yourself to people. Is that a misfortune? That is not a misfortune. It's due to our own cause. Whenever you are in a state of dilemma in life, yes, every human being is a spouse, and things are not working, you have to ask for the wisdom of God, not to take decision into your own hand that will not backfire. You now say people like me, if I'm feeling better of myself, why won't I feel better of myself as a single mother? Do you understand? Am I hopping? Did I employ sex worker hopping from bed to bed? Kò ní dá fún wa àti King Rudy. You this Johnny Drill singer, ohun ẹ máa kọ́ni by the grace of, it will never be well with you. Kò ní dá fún wa. You and people like King Rudy. I'm not disappointed King Rudy can support her, because people have stated before that King Rudy too, he used to sleep with prostitutes. Do you understand? He even sang it in his song that something must kill a man. Go and look at that lyrics. I'm not surprised about, why are you so colleague? Kò ní dá fún yín. Those of you who are still coming now, you are still having that energy to do something rubbish. Kò ní dá fún yín. It will never be well with una. I'm not surprised at King Rudy. People have been speculating about King Rudy that he sleep around with prostitutes. I'm not beginning to believe such. People's life can be so miserable, and yet you people are so shameless. A colleague like you have not shown that musician have anything positive somebody can emulate. You people should go and hide yourself or kill yourself. You still have the effort saying that somebody like me, woman now, check me now. A Jewish mom, a peculiar nation. Look at me, check me out now. The the best human being on earth that money cannot even buy. Kò ní dá fún ẹ, kò ní yẹ. Check me out. I should not feel better of my dick, girl. Check me out. Hey, wò mí, I should not feel better. Feel better of myself to Tiwa Savage. Kò ní yẹ. Kò ní dá fún ẹ. That Johnny Drill, ìwọ àti King Rudies kò ní jọ dá fún yín. People like that, if you are sick, check wò mí now. Ẹ wá ń fi kú oorun. Check me out. Kò ní dá fún gbogbo yín. Kò ní dá fún yín, òfò lẹ máa ṣe fẹ́. Kò ní dá fún yín, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe láyé àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní dá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ pa yí àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní dá fẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe láyé àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní dá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe láwọn ọmọ yìí ò ní ṣoríire. Kò ní dá fún yín. Kò ní dá fún yín. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin olórí kò ní dá fún yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe láyé àwọn ọmọ wa ò ní dá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe láwọn ọmọ yìí ò ní ṣoríire. Ìyá odidi ìyálé ilé even though you are a single mom can do such. And you people are still saying, ọ̀fọ̀ ò ní tán lé yín sẹ́, ọ̀fọ̀ ò ní tán lé yín sẹ́, kò ní dá fún yín, kò ní dá fún yín, kò ní dá fún yín, ẹ máa ṣorí burúkú ni, kò ní dá fún yín, ẹ ní sinmi láyé yín, kò ní dá fún yín. You not say that I should not feel better of myself. Why won't I feel better of myself? Why would I feel better of myself? I'm contented in my life. Prick, they not give me for almost 3 years. Prick, they not give me. I'm contented. Kò ní dá fún yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń láyé àwọn ọmọ yìí ò ní dá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń láyé àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ò ní dá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń láyé wọn máa bàjẹ́. As you are wishing the coming generation, the young ones, that they will not have peace, that they will not emulate positivity, that they will not prosper. As you are wishing they will be distracted, it will never be well with you now. It will never be well with you now. Especially all these two musicians. Because you people, you are not positive. You don't have anything someone can emulate. Why are you people not so shameless? Kò ní dá fún yín rúdurùdu láyé yín máa rí. The Bible has said it. The Bible has said it in the book of Psalm. Psalm 35 ló máa jẹ́ tayé yín. Psalm 35 ló máa jẹ́ tayé yín, ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú olòṣì.